love beautiful office supplies and constantly try to keep up with stationery trends? Then this video is for you! We'll teach you how to make a bathtub for paper clips, a pillow pencil case, a vacuum sharpener, and many other unusual and, most importantly, useful school supplies. And first, you need a notebook and a few sheets of cardboard. Take one sheet the size of the cover. Cut 4 holes in the second sheet. Cut the third sheet along the outline. Hot glue the cardboard pieces together. Glue smaller cardboard rectangles in the cutouts to form a door pattern. Repaint the cover yellow using a sponge. Cover it with turquoise paint. And the final touch, glue on a vintage door handle. The result is an unusual notebook with a cover in the form of an ancient door. So, shall we open the door to the wonderful world of notes and plans? And now take a small bowl and an Allen wrench. Hot glue the wrench to the bowl like this. Take a couple of buttons and glue on 4 beads to the buttons' heads to get hot and cold water handles. Form the faucet, gluing the handles to the wrench. Glue a small magnet to the free end of the wrench. Pour paper clips in the tub, hooking a couple of them to the magnet. The clips look like they are flowing from the tap. What a funny school accessory! For the next life hack, take a medium-sized cardboard box. Cut 2 oblong holes in its upper part with a box cutter. Cover it with bright colored paper. Glue eyes made out of white paper to one of the sides. Add pupils and a smile. Take 4 beads and a zipper tab. Glue on beads instead of legs and make a lever on the side from the tab. To make the toaster look real, just attach a cable. Insert a couple of piles of sticky notes in the slots. Do you want some warm and crunchy sticky notes? For the next life hack, you will need a decorative bucket and wooden sticks. Glue sticks all around the bucket. Cut off the excess tips. Cut a circle out of cardboard and stick a piece of glue rod to it. Paint them pink. Decorate with a funny face with googly eyes. You definitely need a trash can by your desk. And now you have such a cute one! For this life hack, you will need a pencil and several wooden sticks of different widths. Take pliers and cut off a couple of centimeters from a wide stick. Hot glue it to the tip of a pencil like this. Take another piece of the stick and wrap it with a thick fishing line. Remove the line and glue it to the stick on the pencil. Cut the line to get a brush. Glue some thinner sticks at the edges to mask the junction. Nobody else has such a tiny brush. You will now have complete order on your desk. For the next idea, take a stand for books and a few dishwashing sponges. Hot glue sponges all over the surface of the stand. Glue another pair of sponges to the bottom on the sides. Cover the sofa you made with bright fabric. Add some rivets to the design so that it looks as realistic as possible. Now you can read right on the couch. Although the textbook is the only one that's comfortable on it, but it's close enough. And now take your favorite ballpoint pen and self-hardening clay. Flatten the clay and wrap it around the entire length of the pen. Use scissors to make notches all over the surface. Fasten a flower on the end. Now take a small pot and insert a piece of artificial grass into it. Cut a groove in the center and insert the cactus pen into it. Look how perfectly the stand fits on your desk. Now take a brush and a roll of toilet paper. Glue a small piece of cardboard in the form of a sleeve to the end of the brush. Cut the paper from the roll to the width of the sleeve. Glue the end of the toilet paper to the cardboard and wind it in a mini roll. Secure the free end with a clip so that the paper does not unwind. The result is a 2-in-1 brush with the paper to remove stains, and you won't have to worry about stains anymore. For the next life hack, take a tube from toothpaste and a round sharpener. Cut the tube in half with scissors. Attach the sharpener in the place of the cut like this. Look at this cute mini sharpener with a container! And no more shavings will fall on the desk. If you have an old rotary dial phone at home, now's its moment to shine! Take out the insides. Cover the body with varnish and sprinkle it with dry glitter. Cover the device with white paint with a Craquelure effect. Wait until it cracks and you will see a shining layer under the white one. Now take a bucket with school supplies and insert it in place of the disc. That's an excellent pencil case! You must have bought it in an antique shop! For the next life hack, take a pair of pens. Glue the caps from one of the pen to the cap of the second one, like this. Take a pair of toy wheelbases and a sharpener. Place the sharpener on the wheels. Cut a clip from the cap of an old marker. Hot glue it to the top of the sharpener. And now take a piece of wire and connect the two pieces. Glue one end to the sharpener and the other to the end of the pen. A state-of-the-art robot vacuum sharpener is at your service. This is definitely unique. And now take a small box and some tape. Put the tape inside the box. Make a cut in the box. Next, take a sheet of black paper. Cut out 2 circles of different diameters from it. Glue them together like this. Make a drawing and an inscription on the smaller circle. Pierce a hole in the center of the plate and in the lid of the box using an awl. Put a toothpick into the hole and put the plate on it. Draw a volume slider and speaker on the cover. Take a pin and pierce the edge of a wooden stick with it. Cut off a part of the needle with pliers. Take a plastic straw and cut off a piece of it. String the straw on the toothpick and glue it to the lid of the box. Fasten the wooden stick with the needle to it. Assemble the pieces together. Who would have thought that you could make a record player from a regular stand for tape? Although it's not real, it looks quite unusual. And now take a couple of pieces of fabric and a zipper. Fold each of the pieces of fabric in half and sew them together on both sides like this. Fill it with polyester stuffing. Sew up the cuts. Turn the piece inside out and sew a zipper to it. Put your school supplies inside. A cushion pencil case is ready. What a wonderful accessory! If you get tired, you can take a nap. For the next idea, you need a tape whiteout. Hot glue a wooden stick to the lower part. Paint the body silver with a sponge. Use a capillary pen to draw the outlines and make a brand label. Have you ever fixed your mistakes with a hairdryer? Now take a flash drive and self-hardening clay. Wrap the flash drive with the clay. Add decorative elements on top, a pocket, handles, and a lock. You can use it as soon as the clay hardens. It's a whole bag of useful information. Did you like our life hacks for school supplies? Which idea will you try out? Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and click on the bell. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.